Welcome to Debt Education, your one-stop series for working with Stoneleigh Recovery Associates to overcome your debt. Would you like to make a payment on your account with Stoneleigh Recovery Associates? I can teach you several simple ways to make a payment. The first way to make a payment is by calling our office and letting our representative know you'd like to pay. Call our toll-free number at 866-724-2330 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Thursday, or 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Fridays. By calling, you can pay check by phone, which means you'll pay through your checking account with your bank. You can also pay by credit card or debit card. We accept MasterCard, Visa, and Discover cards. Our representatives will walk you through the verification process in order to assist you in the completion of your payment. For your protection, our agent will enter the payment information directly into specialized software that secures your information. Our agents are not able to view payment information after it has been saved. The next way to make a payment is through our online web payment portal. To begin the process, visit StoneleighrRecoveryAssociates.com. At the top of the home page, there is an index of categories to choose from. Click the Make a Payment option, which is the tab on the far right. After that, you'll be redirected to stoneleigh.123fastpay.com. Click Continue and input all required information. This website provides a secure connection, meaning your personal information is kept private when submitted. Another way to make a payment is by mail. You can send in a check or money order by submitting your payment to Stoneleigh Recovery Associates, P.O. Box 1479, Lombard, Illinois 60148. Be sure to include the SRA file number and name of the person on the account. The fourth way to make a payment is by coming into our office to make a walk-in payment. Our office is located in Lombard, Illinois. For more information or to make a walk-in appointment, please call us at 866-724-2330. A representative will direct you through this process. Finally, you can make a payment via a bank wire. The first step in making a payment through a bank wire is to call our office so that an agent may provide you with our bank's routing number and account number. The next step is to speak with a representative from your bank and provide them with our account information and the amount you'd like to send to SRA. Generally, you can expect your payment to be processed the day it is received. Once we've processed your payment, your account records will be updated and the payment will be applied towards the outstanding balance. For more information, please call the office. Also, feel free to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter, where you can find more debt education content, and subscribe here for more how-to videos.